Have you noticed how many fun decorative stitches are on the Singer Featherweight C240 sewing machine? You will find you have 69 stitches built in this machine. Now, if you look at just the pretty pictures, they do not look as good as if you sew them out. And I had some fun. I'm stitching them out with some variegated thread. And I just recommend that everybody takes just a few minutes and stitch out all their stitches. So when you sew them out, you can just even, as you do rows, put the presser foot next to the previous row, and when you start, if you touch the immediate tie-off button, that's the one with the little picture of a knot, it lights up this light. Let me show you something. First, you can hold your foot control down with your foot, or use the start-stop button. That's always nice and easy. It's very relaxing. And then when you want to get the stitch to kind of end at the end of the pattern and lock, you can touch the reverse button. When you touch the reverse button, it will lock the stitch and stop. So I didn't have to push this button to stop it. It actually finished the stitch for me. And look how fun those stitches are. And then they're very secure because they've locked at the end. And then just pick your next stitch. So that was stitch 62. So if I did 63, touch the immediate tie-off button, turn it on before I start it, touch the start-stop button, and before long, you will find that you have all the stitches stitched out and they look absolutely fabulous. So I hope you'll use your decorative stitches and not just let them sit, because you do have some really great stitches in this machine. So touch the reverse button one time to activate that locking stitch, and it will just finish the pattern it's on and come to a complete stop.